afternoon, good citizens. Welcome to Master Asador Barbecue. My name is Gustavo, and today we have a fried stuffed chicken. It's a very simple, nice recipe, which is a chicken breast, which is usually flavorless and you have to accompany with something. So we're gonna fill it up with some ingredients, and then we're gonna fry it, and we'll proceed to the ingredients to see how it's done. So the recipe counts for a chicken breast, garlic powder, roasted peppers, some soft cheese. In this case I have a Swiss, and fresh basil. And then to bread the chicken we're gonna have some eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, a little bit of fresh parsley, salt and pepper. So the first thing we're gonna do is flatten this a little bit. I already cut them. So we put a saran wrap at the bottom and the top. And now I just found this big hammer in here. We're going to flatten it really thin. So it cooks evenly. Okay, so we're going to fill it up now. So we're going to put a little salt. A little pepper, garlic powder, then we're going to add the cheese, the roasted peppers, and the basil. So now we're going to turn it and close it and make like an envelope so it doesn't open up, like that. Now we're going to take it to the flour, egg, and now to the breadcrumbs. Today is a special day. My father turns 92 years old today. He's in Argentina. This is why I'm cooking this special meal for him. And since I can be with him, I'm gonna drink this special wine here, this Señor Malbec. Let's see how we open this. Salud to him. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Perfectly cooked. And the cheese slightly melted.